Good evening, students. Hope you're all doing well. This is Mohan. Let me congratulate all those students who have cleared either Group 1 or Group 2 or both the groups in the recent CA Inter and CA final results. You have brought name and fame not only to parents but also to the team masterminds. You have brought name and fame not only to parents but also to the team masterminds. See, I have been getting messages and calls from many of our existing as well as old students about the commencement of the CA Inter post results crash batch. I mean to say the coaching classes for the upcoming December 2021 attempt. Here are the details. See, earlier we had taken a decision to offer crash batch coaching only through video lectures. Now we have taken a revised decision. So I'm going to have a detailed explanation about that revised decision. So we are going to start the physical batch. Yes, what you heard is right. We are going to start the physical batch, otherwise called as offline batch at Guntur campus on September 25th. On September 25th. Earlier we thought of offering the classes only through video recorded lectures that are available for sale in Masterminds online classes app. Now we have revised the decision. We have taken a new decision. Now we have decided to offer the physical classes, otherwise called a CPB, complete physical batch, otherwise called as offline batch at Guntur campus. So the batch is going to commence on September 25th and expected to close in between November 25th to November 30th. Whereas for our hostel students, we are going to offer all our services. We are going to offer all our services till the last day of examinations, probably on December 20th, 2021. So for hostel students, we are going to offer our services for a span of approximately 3 months. For a span of 3 months. So this batch, unlike many coaching institutions, this batch is going to be a unique one. A very detailed and clear explanation is going to be offered, just like any other, just like a regular batch. And we are going to teach our students for a span of 450 to 500 hours in each group. Our coaching is going to be for a span of 450 to 500 hours in each group. In addition to that, I repeat, in addition to that 450 hours of coaching, we are going to offer video recordings approximately in between, approximately for a duration of in between 40 to 50 hours, covering unimportant topics. As you all know that since the examination is going to be in December, due to paucity of time, we don't want to teach unimportant topics in classroom. So instead of that, we offer pre-recorded videos covering those unimportant topics for a span of approximately 40 to 50 hours to all those students who are taken admission for CPB, complete physical batch. So putting together, the coaching will be for not less than 500 hours, 450 physical classes and 50 virtual classes. I mean to say video classes. As you all know that the expert, experienced and well-qualified team of faculty will be taking classes, and not just for few subjects. Expert, experienced and qualified faculty will take classes for all the subjects, not just for few subjects. The uniqueness is we are going to offer coaching for all the 8 papers under one roof, not just for CA Inter. We have this facility even for CA final also. There are very few institutions in South India which are offering coaching for all the 8 papers at CA final level under one roof. So same is the case with CA Inter and CMA Inter also. We have been offering coaching for all the 8 papers since from our inception, that is from 2002. So by this you can come to a conclusion. We have been offering classes for CA students since from last 19 years, and this is our 20th years of successful journey. Let me continue. And we are going to offer, we are going to offer revised materials, which is completely updated, exam oriented, and this is the 46th edition of materials and 100% of coverage of all the ICA sources till now. ICA sources means the ICA material like MTP, RTP. So, and I can confidently tell that compared to our earlier materials, we have reduced a significant portion. We have reduced a significant burden on our students, but Still, our students will be able to answer almost 100 marks in the examination. Now, how it is going to be? Yes, that cannot be explained in a public domain like YouTube. That's all. I can simply say that it's a trade secret. We have condensed our material, but at the same time, we are not compromised with respect to the coverage of all topics. Beyond that, I can't tell you. Beyond that, I can't explain. Okay, let me continue. There's another mode of coaching for CA Inter Crash Batch for December 2021 attempt, that is video on demand, VOD. VOD. In that, students can buy the video lectures in Masterminds online classes app. Students can attend the coaching through video lectures in Masterminds online classes app at their convenient time. At the convenient time, coaching is available either in physical mode or in VOD mode for group 1 or for group 2 or on subject-wise basis. In case of video on demand batch, VOD, you need not make a call to any of our staff members directly. You download the Masterminds online classes app. I hope by this time you might have already done that. And this Masterminds online classes app is available both on Android platform and on iOS platform. Now, after that, you browse the details in store. There you can find the post results CA Inter Crash Batch details. And I'm also going to leave a link in the description box. You please find the same, so that by clicking that link, you can directly go to the store and you can purchase the videos of either group 1 or group 2 or any subject of your choice. So videos validity will be for 12 months. Videos validity will be for 12 months and with 1.5 views option. And you'll be given the materials through PDF format. You'll be given the materials in PDF format. You'll be provided the materials in PDF format. And my dear students, unlike other institutions, we have been offering one more unique support to our students who are going to get admitted into CA Inter Crash Batch either in CPB or in online mode. So CPB stands for we are going to offer the classes in physical mode. Online mode stands for we are going to offer the classes through video lectures which are available for sale in Masterminds online classes app. What is that unique support? We are going to offer our rapid revision batch videos. We are going to offer our rapid revision batch videos as a free complimentary to those students who took admission either for group 1 or for group 2 on group wise basis. Say for example, you have taken admission for group 1 crash batch. In such a case, you will be given free access to the rapid revision batch videos of all the group 1 subjects. So otherwise, students, you can even find that many students by this time already purchased those rapid revision batch videos by making the payment through our Masterminds online classes app. And it is very popular in the CA students community. And at least 1,000 plus students will make use of these services on a session basis. A session means a duration of 6 months. So for a year, at least 2,000 students will avail the services of rapid revision batch videos, either on free of cost basis or on payment basis. So this is very popular. In the CA students community. And one more unique support or one more unique service is, apart from offering coaching classes, we are going to conduct the revision examinations on every Sunday, even for crash batch students also. Apart from conducting the coaching classes, we are going to conduct the revision examinations on every Sunday, even for crash batch students also. And we are going to offer, apart from that, conducting the examination, we provide the suggested answers immediately after completion of the examinations. We even provide the valuation report within 2 weeks. So not just conducting the examinations, we don't limit ourselves to conducting the examinations. We even offer the valuation services. And own hostel facility is available at Guntur, both for boys and girls hostels. So during this pandemic time, we decided to extend our support in such a way by allowing the students to pay the hostel fees in multiple installments. And in spite of being the leader, I repeat, in spite of being the leader in CA coaching and having 19 years of experience, we are charging a very much affordable fees just to support the students community in this pandemic time. Can you please compare the number of hours for which we are going to teach? You just compare the number of hours for which we are going to teach either on group-wise basis or on subject-wise basis before you take a decision to take admission into masterminds, either in CPP basis or in online mode. Online mode is otherwise named as VOD, video on demand, where you can purchase the interested videos, where you can purchase the videos of your choice in Masterminds online classes app. The language of teaching, the mode of teaching will be in English. And of course, the difficult topics will be repeated in Telugu. Apart from teaching in English, we repeat some difficult topics for the convenience of the students, for the better understanding of the students in Telugu as well. So that the students of other states, can conveniently take admission, will not feel any kind of difficulty in understanding the classes, in understanding the classes. So they'll be taught in English. Apart from that, in case of any difficult areas or any difficult topics, we repeat the same in Telugu as well. For those students who understand the vernacular language, it will be convenient for them to understand the concepts in a better way. And our fee is subject to GST at the rate of 18%. Yes, what you heard is correct. Our fees is subject to a GST of 18%, not just 3% or 5%. It is subject to a GST of 18%. And we are making the payment of the same out of our pocket to support the students community and parents community in this pandemic time. Hope you will appreciate this sacrifice or this kind of, hope you all will appreciate this kind of sacrifice or this kind of support we are extending to the students community. And recently we have started pre-results CA Enter crash batch on August 3rd, 2021. And that was a grand success. We had near about 350 plus admissions, both in offline and online mode, put together. The number of admissions that we had is more than 350, both in online and offline put together. And this excludes the admissions we had on subject-wise basis. Let me repeat, this excludes, the 350 excludes the admissions we had on subject-wise basis. And my dear students, apart from this crash batch, if at all if students want to have another service, let me explain. We are even offering the regular batch videos for sale in Masterminds online classes app. And those who are interested to have a very detailed explanation can opt for that. I'll tell you a simple example. In case of regular batch, alone for costing, we are going to teach nearly for 140 to 150 hours. Alone for a subject, say for example, costing, we are going to teach for 140 to 150 hours. Say regular batch is a batch which is meant for freshers, which is meant for freshers who are going to take the CA examination for the first time. Crash batch is a batch which is meant for repeaters. So if students are interested, can even buy the regular batch videos to the Masterminds online classes app. And as of now, as on today, that is on September 2021, regular batch videos are available for the following subjects in Masterminds online classes app. You can find the videos for costing, FM, EIS, strategic management, GST, and auditing. And those are going to appear for the CMA Enter examinations. There's a crash course. There's a CMA Enter crash course which is available in our Masterminds online classes app. And in that, coaching will be offered nearly for 100 hours, covering various subjects which are not covered, or covering various topics which are not covered in CA Enter. So in that batch, we are going to confine our discussion. We are going to confine our coaching only to those topics which are not covered in CA Enter. The duration of the batch will be for roughly 100 hours, and the price of the entire CMA Enter crash batch is 5,000 rupees. Even for this also, you need not contact any of our staff member. You can directly buy them. You can directly buy them through Masterminds online classes app. Apart from this crash batch, There's one more facility, there's one more service that we are offering, and Masterminds is very much known in the CS students community for that. And that is none other than Shri Batch. Shri Batch stands for Study Hours and Revision Exams Batch. And Shri Batch is again available in two modes. One is the physical batch, the other one is online batch. And these physical and online batches of Study Hours and Revision examinations are available at all our branches apart from the central office, Guntur. And even for Shri batches, we are going to offer our hostel facility. We are going to offer our hostel facility at Guntur. And for Shri batches, for Study Hours and Revision examination batches, we have hostel facility for girls, not only at Guntur, but also at Tirupati, Vijayawada, and our LB Nagar campus of Hyderabad. Students, if you want to have a direct interaction with me, you can send an email to msnmohan2013@gmail.com. For more details, you may feel free to contact 98851-25001 and 98851-25003. And if I'm right, in the last 5 days, we have more than 350 to 400 admissions for Shri batch, Study Hours and Revision exam batches for CA Inter and CA Final. And to be very honest, the number is absolutely more than 400. It's not even in between 350 to 400. It is more than 400. It's more than 400. And we are going to offer the rapid revision batches videos as complimentary, even for those students who are going to take admission for Shri batches, Study Hours and Revision exams batches. Thanks a lot. Thanks for supporting Team Masterminds. God bless you. Hope you're all going to share this video to your friends. Thank you.